Now you're going to draw a flower petal. I'm going to choose the oval tool and I'm going to draw something that looks like this. I'm going to change the fill color to maybe a yellowy flower color. I'm going to change the stroke to have more of a orangey red color. Maybe I'll make the stroke a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to choose the brush tool. I'm going to draw kind of a center line in the petal. I will now select this. I right click on it and I choose group. This will keep them together so that I can move them. With this selected, I'm going to go up to Object on the menu. I'm going to go down to where it says Repeat, Radial, and here you can see you can drag up and down this slider to choose how many times it repeats. And you can also choose this circle. Sorry, this dot here, you can bring in how close or how far away you have these repeated images.